现上都对吧？
May bakat pa nung pisngi nung nahulog na dulo. Hi. Mas ibang post naman. Ayan. Dali na. Ano ba yan? Hindi mo man lang pinasok eh.
Ano bang in-expect mo talaga lagi na lima yung kamay?
Sarap. Banh mi. Huwag na.
Wala sa tawid daw tayo.
On the stairs. Okay, tagilid.
Kaya masaya ka na ba dyan?
May pang cinematic na. Saan tayo?
Tangi! Saan tayo, Tangi?
Tangi, where are we?
We are in the glacier. Sa loob, ayun na may ano, Starbucks.
Lakad tayo hanggang... Wait. Das kaliwa. Yung supermarket yun ah.
Sa Aberturo. At gusto nyo ng
Supermarket lang ang
Supermarket.
bigyan nyo. Ang bibilan nyo ng pasal.
pasalo.
Buti naman, ganda pala dito. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Everyone please, we are here in the south of Vietnam, Saigon. Okay, and now ladies and gentlemen, okay, the itinerary of us is very easy. We start in the heart of this city.
And after 3 public seats, we try the picture under the sunlight.
I just say 250 small steel marbles when the thing explode in the middle of us. What am I doing with my life? 3 rules in the Vietnam War. First rule, walking without trail, talking without sound, cooking without smoke. You can imagine, okay ladies, if me, I'm the Viet Cong soldier, I'm walking